APA citation style is a widely used referencing format established by the American Psychological Association. It's commonly used in the social sciences, medical education, psychology, clinical research, and studies. General guidelines: font and size. Use a readable font like Times New Roman, 12-point size. Line spacing, double space all text, including references. Margins, 1-inch margins on all sides. Title page includes the title, author's name, and institutional affiliation. Page numbers, insert page numbers in the upper right corner. In-text citations include the author's last name and the year of publication. For direct quotes, add the page number. In case of paraphrasing, the format is in bracket author, year. Example, Smith and 2020. Here Smith is the author and 2020 is the year. Quote, the format is author, year, p dot page number. For example, Smith 2020 e dot 45. These are in brackets. The reference list should be on a new page titled References and include all sources cited in the text. Arrange entries alphabetically by the last name of the first author. Common formats: 1. Book. Format is author and then the initials and the year in bracket, then the title of the book, and after colon, subtitle, and then publisher. So example, so Smith is the author and J dot is the initial and 2020 is the year, and the title of the book is Understanding Psychology and the publisher is Academic Press. 2. Journal article. The format is author and then initials and after and then again author and then again initials and in bracket year. Then there is title of the article and then title of the journal, then volume in bracket issue, and then the page range, the URL. Now example, here Johnson is the author, L dot is the initial, and another author Lee, and his initial is R dot, year 2019, and here title of the article is Exploring Cognitive Behavior, and the title of the journal is Journal of Psychology, and volume is 34, issue is 2. The page range is 123 to 135, and there's the permanent URL. And in case of website, format is author, initials, year, month, day. And after full stop, title of the web page, and then site name, and then URL. Example, American Psychological Association. Then year is 2021, month and day, March 15. Title of the web page is Understanding APA Style, and the site name is apa.org. org, and the URL is here. And then chapter in an edited book, format is author, and then initials, year, title of the chapter, and in editor, and in bracket ed full stop, then title of the book, then pp dot pages, and then publisher. Example is Brown here is the author, T is the initial, 2018 is the year, title of the chapter is Memory Techniques, and here's the editor's name. C is the initial, and Gray is the name, last name, and then ed dot, and title of the book is Cognitive Science Today, then pp dot pages are 55 to 78, and the publisher is Sage.